Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt either a wave of calm or a surge of anxiety? What if I told you this reaction isn't just psychological? It's actually the vibrational energy of your surroundings at work. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how mastering these frequencies can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Albert Einstein once said, "Everything in life is vibration." This isn't just a philosophical musing. It's the key to understanding how your environment shapes your reality. Every object, every thought, and every feeling vibrates at a specific frequency. Imagine being able to automate your living space to attract positive energy and repel negativity. So, why does your environment matter? Because it's the silent architect of your destiny. The benefit? A life aligned with your highest potential. Intrigued? Let's dive into the specifics. Back in 1930s Germany, Einstein wasn't just focused on relativity, he was exploring the vibrations that govern our existence. Picture yourself tuning a radio, searching for your favorite station. Only when you hit the right frequency do you hear the music clearly. Similarly, your life is a series of frequencies that need fine-tuning to resonate with your goals and desires. Take Sarah, for example. After years of feeling stuck, she reconfigured her living space based on vibrational frequencies. She decluttered, repositioned furniture, and added elements that aligned with her aspirations. Within months, she experienced a dramatic shift, not just in her home's atmosphere, but in her career and relationships. Sarah's story isn't unique. It's a testament to the power of aligning your environment with your life frequencies. Here's a controversial take. Is our destiny predetermined? Some might say yes, but I believe your environment significantly influences your destiny. To shed more light on this, Feng Shui veteran Yeo-Kun Leong shared that specific placements and arrangements in your home can either hinder or propel you towards your dreams. In one of our sessions, we explored the home of a client struggling with chronic stress. By making strategic changes, we shifted the energy flow, resulting in a noticeable reduction in her stress levels and an overall sense of well-being. This isn't magic, it's the science of vibrations at work. Remember, similar vibrations attract. When you tune into a specific radio frequency, you lock into that station's broadcast. Similarly, your life frequencies attract the kind of environment you inhabit. If your home is cluttered or poorly arranged, it reflects and amplifies the chaotic frequencies within you. By consciously altering your environment, you're not just changing your space, you're tuning your life to a higher frequency. Here's some food for thought. What kind of house do you think you would attract if you are looking for a new one now? Reflect on this and consider the changes you can make to elevate your life frequencies. Thank you for staying with us till the end. As a token of appreciation for your dedication, I'll gift you a heavily discounted access to the Yijing Feng Shui for Beginners Masterclass, an on-demand masterclass that dives deep into Yijing Feng Shui principles. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your living space and consequently your life.